Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I'm going to answer a question I get often is, should I replace my windows or just repair them? Let's talk about that. Well, if they're really old, anything single pane, replace. That's the best bet. If you have a dual pane window, well, that just depends, right? If you have a dual pane window that has just clear glass and aluminum, replace it. If it's a vinyl window or a newer style of window, maybe a fiberglass window, and maybe the locks aren't working right. Maybe you have some seal failures. Maybe you have roller issues. Maybe you have some balancer issues. Well, why would you want to replace a whole window? Those are all replaceable. Either the manufacturer themselves can fix the window for you, maybe have a service technician come out, or you can go to different places online where you can order parts for specific windows. That's an easy fix. I mean, anytime I've gone to a customer's house and they're like, hey, well, these windows, should I just put some weather stripping on them? But it's a single pane aluminum window. I'm like, well, that's gonna do you no good at all. So that's when I'm always saying, well, you need to replace your windows. These are the times you replace your windows. But you can always determine whenever if let's say for instance you've bought a house and it has newer windows and it's been 5 years and they're starting to kind of give up, you can get somebody to come out and take a look, usually for free, and just give you an assessment as to what you're looking at, what it might cost to repair the windows or just what have you. So that's what I would say. Only time you want to replace your windows is if you absolutely have to. If you have decent windows and they just need some repair work, literally just do the repair work. You can change out glass, you can change out locks. There's so many things you can do with windows that are already installed in your house. No point in spending extra money just to replace the whole window. I know there's a lot of people out there that might show up and say,
yeah, let's replace these windows.
They're like 5 years old and they're pretty decent windows. And I'll walk in and I've said to a customer, you don't need to replace this window, just replace this glass. They're like, you can do that? And it's like, yeah, you can do that. So let's save you the money. Let's fix what needs to get fixed. And then we're out of your hair and you're a happy customer. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.